Hey guys, happy Monday. Welcome back to my channel. I have had a few requests for a tutorial on how I curl my hair. It's very simple. I have naturally wavy hair, so I just let my hair air dry overnight. I think a lot of people get up and take a shower, then blow dry their hair, and maybe they make their hair too straight, and that's why it's not holding. Who knows? So I am going to be using this barrel. This is 1.5 inches, I think. I also have 1 inch. If you have 1 inch iron at home, you can just take bigger sections and maybe not hold your sections for as long, just to get like a beachy wave. I do not like my hair very tight. I like it very loose and kind of like undone. Okay, so like I said, I took a shower last night. I did go running this morning, so I'm going to spray some dry shampoo. This dry shampoo is by Verb. I really like this one. They also have one for dark tones, so that people with dark hair do not have white powder all through their hair. I even do dry shampoo when my hair is super clean because I feel like it gives it some texture. Okay. I'm gonna section my hair. I think people also will like either straighten or really blow dry their hair before they curl it because they feel like it's going to be super frizzy, but I'm gonna show you what you can do to kind of help get rid of some of the frizz. Okay, if you feel like your hair is really frizzy before you iron it or before you curl it, you can just take your curling iron and run it through. This just gets rid of some of the frizz. Okay. Let me tilt this down a little. Okay. So, now everything I curl, I'm going to curl away from my face. Okay? I think too many people maybe curl into their face, and that's what they're not liking. Okay, so see, let me do that again so you can see. I'm going to put the iron here. Pull it down a little and turn. And then I'm just going to keep feeding this little tail through. To do that, you just kind of loosen this a little bit. See how it's coming down and twist back up. Now I like to leave this little tail out about this much because I like straighter ends. I feel like it gives it more of a beachy feel. So that's what I do. Some people don't like that, and if you don't, well then just put it all the way through. Okay, hold it there and release. Okay, now don't touch that curl, just let it cool down. At the end, we'll mess with them. Okay, so start here and just keep turning and just feed your little ends through. Okay. Curling my hair is faster for me than flat ironing, and I honestly don't really like my hair straight. My husband does like it straight, but I don't. Okay, see how this is really kinky up here, through here? And I don't know if y'all know this, but Texas is freaking hot right now. So I'm really just curling my hair to show you guys. We're about to go to the movies, so I might just throw it up. I'm not sure. But it's freaking hot, y'all. Okay. Okay, when you get to this side, you're gonna have to switch the way your iron goes, okay? This side, my iron was like this, okay? This side, you're gonna turn it so that it goes away from your face. Here's the mistake people make when they come to the other side, okay? They do this. They curl it in. And it comes out really weird and awkward. So make sure, just keep it in your head, away from your face. You'll just have to switch the way you hold your hands a little bit. And it's a little easier to show you when I get up to the front. Okay, so right around your face, you want to go away, okay? Look, this side, your iron, you just hold it up and down like this. I'm going to show you another thing not to do. I think this is also what people do. And back in the day, this is what we did. Okay, so we took it and you rolled it all the way to the end and like it went up like this. Okay, the difference between how I do it and this is that this, you just get this end curled. I like to curl up into my root area. Gives it some volume. Once you get the hang of it, it's really not that hard. Look at that creepy doll right there. Jaden just thinks that's the creepiest thing ever. Okay, so you can see the sections I'm taking. They're bigger sections, you know, so it doesn't take forever to curl your hair. Also, the smaller the section, the more curly the hair is. And again, I don't like mine very curly, so I take bigger sections. And I think I say this in every video, don't overthink it. Okay, away from your face. And any of these little pieces that you miss, you can grab and just run the iron through them really quick. They'll all kind of blend together. Okay. And do not be like that girl on, the other girl on YouTube that holds it on there so long that the hair fries off. You do not want that to happen. Okay, so I'm going to show you again around the face what not to do. Okay, I feel like people get to the other side where their hands are a little weird and they want to curl in. Okay, this is what you don't do. Because watch how ugly it looks. Okay, yeah, no, that looks ridiculous. Okay, do not do that. You just have to keep telling yourself over and over, curl away from your face. I sometimes teach a curling class at the salon, and it's easier when it's hands-on and I can actually get in there and show you exactly how to switch your hands around. But hopefully you can figure it out with this video. If you have finer hair, you may want to get something a little smaller. Ideally, I like 1.25 inches. This is 1.5 inches, it's just what I have at home. But I do like 1.25 inches. I feel like it's the perfect amount of tightness. Okay, so I'm gonna finish up this section, and then once I get to my bang section, I'll show you exactly what you want to do. Okay, so I've done almost all the top, but I've saved these to show you. Okay, around my face, I like it to look kind of windblown. So I'm gonna take my iron. This is a different way to hold it, okay? So don't freak out. But I'm gonna take it like this and feed it through this way. Okay. So on these, I went like this. This is faced away from you. Okay, that's how I did these. And I'm going to show you again on the front. I'm going to hold it like this. Okay. And just feed it through. It should just kind of slide through your hair. See? Okay, again, like this. Okay, now if you want it more textured or more defined, you can pick up little pieces here and there and just re-curl them. See how they're a little bit more defined? This gives you a little bit more volume up top. These roots are looking dark, y'all. Honor, we need to make an appointment. Honor or Bianca, whoever has time, to blonde me up. Okay, one more. All right, so here's what I do at the end. You can use your fingers, or I prefer to use a brush. Just brush these out. Because sometimes I mean, most of the time, I wear a middle part, but sometimes I'll just flip it over. Okay, and I kind of like to tuck this side. Depends how fancy I'm feeling. Okay, but today, I'm just gonna go with the middle part. If you have a dry texture spray, you can spray it through to give it some hold and movement. Hold and movement, that didn't make sense. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna use some hairspray. This is Kenra's 25. This has won awards for best hairspray years in a row. It's one of my favorites. Okay, just spray it, kind of toss a little around. Okay, again, it's messy. It's not perfect. Please, 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 I'm begging you, do not curl your hair in ringlets and leave it. Do not do that. I will talk about you to my friends, okay? You need to brush your curls out. Do not leave them like early 2000s, curled spirally, all hairspray. That looks ugly, okay? Please, 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 at least run your fingers through it, okay? Show you the back. Okay. Cute, huh? Okay, guys, I hope this helped. If you have any questions, comment below. I will link the Verb dry shampoo, the Kenra hairspray, and I will find you a texture spray that I like. I like the Amika, and I also like the Kenra, okay? Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great Monday.